Hello, all YouTube friends, welcome to watch our machines video. Now we are taking 2 minutes to introduce you to our large format printers. We have different model large format printers for Eco-solvent ink or sublimation ink printing. There are printer drying system, when it printing, so this fans and drying will make hots automatic. You can run hots, or only run fans from this drying system. Look at this video, the printer is using Eco-solvent ink, it is print on the vinyl sticker for outdoor signage. And the printer max width is 1.8 meters. Based on 4X and XP600 head, very fast printing speeds. We can also supply you common 1 head, 2 head printer. With X and DX5, XP600, DX7, I3200, print head. 4 different print head will make different max printing speeds. There are the printer waste ink system. It is for clear print head waste ink. Why you will trust us and choose our printer? Our brand printer will support customer 2-year quality warranty, free teach customer maintenance skills for the print head. Crossway Industry is a very good company located in China, Guangzhou City. With also verified location and joined Alibaba International Export Service. Buyer can also contact us from Alibaba and make online business purchasement. Alibaba will protect both buyer and sellers, make win business. There are the printer software, the printer controlled by computers. Use software to design any image, logo for large format printing. Contact us if any customer needs to buy any large format printer. We will do our best to make a win business with both us.